Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign will be turned off shortly. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times during flight. If you are using a blanket, we kindly ask that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it is visible. Our in-flight meal service will commence shortly with dinner. Your cabin crew will inform you of the available meal choices as they serve you. If there is anything else that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Qatar supports Educated Child, an initiative that provides out-of-school children with access to primary education. 56 million children worldwide are without access to quality primary education and live in countries suffering from poverty, discrimination, conflict or natural disasters. We would be grateful for your support for this noble cause. Please ask a member of the cabin crew for a donation envelope if you wish to make a little contribution. Thank you for your support and to Educated Child. Thank you.